How to clear cache on Android phone. So now, go ahead and launch the Settings application. Once you've opened the settings, scroll down and search for Apps. In here, you will find all of the applications that you've downloaded on your phone. So select the application that you want to clear its cache. So for this video, I will select the application Chrome. Now scroll down and search for storage. So on the bottom part of your screen, you will find two options: Manage Storage and Clear Cache. Tap on Clear Cache. So now notice the number beside cache turned to 0. That is how you know that you have cleared the cache on this application. So if you have more application to clear its cache, just repeat this process. And that is how you clear cache on an Android phone. Thank you and have a great day.